Today we're going to take out the blower motor and replace it on a 2013 Nissan Titan. So this is the blower motor. We're right underneath the glove box. So there's only a couple things we need to do. It's a pretty simple procedure. We're going to take out this bolt that holds this wiring harness on. And then we're going to remove three other small bolts and this wiring harness. This motor will drop out. We'll put in a new one, put it back together. Should go pretty quick. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this wiring harness in the back. Easiest way is just to take a screwdriver. It's very awkward in here, but you can, there's a little tab on this side that you can just depress. And then the harness should come up. There we go. So that's the wiring harness. And then we'll remove this one bolt. That allows us to get this harness out of the way. So start with one in the back here. And then we'll take out this last one, and just remember to support the motor while we're taking it out. And the motor should just drop out. Okay, so now we're going to take our new motor and we're going to put it back in. And there's this one little nub here that you can line up so that you know you're putting it in the right direction. Put our wiring harness back on. And then the way you can tell if your motor is blown or not is that you can take, when you take the wiring harness off, you can put a voltmeter across the two terminals, and as you adjust your blower on your control panel, the voltage will start to raise and lower. So I think on mine it went from about 14.5 volts down to 13.2, something like that. Or you can put a test light across and it'll get brighter and darker. If nothing happens with that, then your control resistor is gone and you'll have to replace that. In my case, the control resistor is good, so I can just plug this back in. And we should be good to go. There we go. So we've got lots of air. Variable speed works perfectly. So this blower I got from Rock Auto, cost me about $80 Canadian including shipping, came in about a week. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit that like button, and hopefully we can help you out with some more videos in the future.